Thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel, Visage1 Studios. My name is Joanna Petit-Frere, makeup artist and photographer, and thank you for watching my makeup tutorial. All the products that I use in this video are listed below. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell button below to get the latest notifications on my new makeup videos and beauty tips. Now let's get started. I first start with filling my eyebrows using the AnastasiaBeverlyhills Dipbrow Pomade Chocolate. Using a soft, smooth-haired angle brush, I start filling in my brows with small strokes following the natural pattern of my eyebrow hair growth. I start from the middle to the end arch, and I fill in the beginning of my brows with softer and lighter strokes to create a natural soft finish. I like this product because it's waterproof, long-lasting, and has a buildable formula. Since this product is very pigmented, apply a little bit of product at a time to build your desired look. Next, I'll be using the NARS Cosmetics Pro Long Wear Paint Layin Low as an eyeshadow base. Using a concealer brush, apply the eyeshadow base under the brows and on the lids. An eyeshadow base creates a barrier between the skin and the product. It helps concentrate the eyeshadow's true colors and helps absorb excess oil on the lid that prevents the eyeshadow from fading or moving. Next, I'll be using the NARS Cosmetics Studio Finish SPF 35 Concealer NW45. Using a concealer brush, I apply the product on the top of my lids and under my brows to conceal and neutralize the color of the eyeshadow base. I like this product because it's highly pigmented and corrects discoloration quickly and has a smooth finish. Next, I'll be using the AnastasiaBeverlyhills Amrezy palette. Is the highlighted color wasted in the inner corner tear duct parts of your eyelid. Then apply the golden pink shimmery shadow Anastasia on the middle part and the end part of both of your eyelids. Next, apply the NYX Professional Glitter Primer on top of the eyeshadow on the middle and the end part of both of your eyelids. Then apply the glittery pink eyeshadow color Barb on top of the glitter glue. It helps to concentrate the color and hold the shadow in place, which prevents it from moving or fading. Next, I'll be using the AnastasiaBeverlyhills Soft Glam palette. Using the color Orange Soda, apply it on top of the concealer, which I place under my eyebrows. It helps to mattify and to hold the color in place, which prevents it from moving or fading. Going back to the AnastasiaBeverlyhills Amrezy palette, I'm using a soft-haired brush using the color Yugo. Apply it to the outer corners of the lids in an upward wing motion, creating a soft brown smudge wing effect. Apply Sema on top of the Yugo eyeshadow. Using a soft-haired brush, apply a little bit on top of the smoky brown color to create a purpley smoky eye effect. Next, I'll be using the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner Blackest Black. Using a fine point angle brush, I start to apply it in the middle of my lid, then I go in an upward wing motion. Next, I start to apply it towards my inner tear duct as close as I can to my lash line, connecting it to the middle and the end part and continuing in the upward wing motion. Next, you're going to apply the gel liner in a downward motion to a point in the inner tear duct. Then you're going to apply it in the inner waterline on your bottom lashes. And you're going to go back to your inner tear duct and apply the gel liner in the inner tear duct and along your bottom lashes. This creates a more dramatic cat eyeliner effect. And then replicate the same cat eyeliner wing effect on the opposite side. Next, apply the BK color using a detail eyeshadow brush. You want to apply it on the tail end of the wing liner in a back and forth swooping motion, creating a smudge cat eye effect, which softens the wing liner. Apply Sema to the end of the wing liner on top of the smudge to add a little purple detail. The next step, I will be applying a corrector. Since I have dark under eyes in a yellow undertone, I apply the NARS Cosmetics Studio Finish SPS 35 Concealer NW40 under my eyes using a concealer brush. I use this concealer as a corrector because it has a yellow base and it is highly pigmented and is 2 shades lighter than my skin tone to brighten and correct discoloration under my eyes. Next, I will be applying the NARS Cosmetics Studio Finish SPF 35 Concealer NW45. Using a concealer brush, I apply this product on top of the NW40 to conceal, neutralize, and warm the color. Next, I will be applying the SmashBox Photo Finish Oil and Shine Control Primer. I apply this gel to powder primer on my cheeks, forehead, and chin, and you can add a little extra on the areas where you tend to be more oily. This primer controls oil up to 12 hours, reduces the looks of pores and redness, and has a great smooth finish. Next, I'll be using the NARS Cosmetics Studio Finish SPF 35 Concealer NW45. Using the concealer brush, I apply this product on the top part of my eyebrows to define the shape of the arch of my brow. And continue using the concealer to outline and define the shape of your brows. Then I apply the concealer around my natural lip line and to the lower part of my chin to brighten and even out the complexion on the lower part of my face. Next, I'll be applying the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation SPF 15. This formula has a 16-hour wear, has a buildable matte finish, and comes in 42 shades. Since most women of color are usually 2 shades, I apply the shade Golden 6 on my cheeks. Then I apply the shade Natural Almond and 80 to the lower part of my chin, the sides of my face, on my nose, and on my forehead in a tapping motion, pressing the foundation down onto the skin to make an even, full coverage blend. Next, I will be using the Bobbi Brown Sheer Finish Press Powder to set the foundation and control the shine. I apply it under both of my eyes to brighten the eye area. Then I apply it down the center of my nose to highlight and create the effect of a thinner nose. And I apply it in the middle of my forehead to eliminate the shine. Next, I will be using a warmer color, the Bobbi Brown Sheer Finish Press Powder Golden Brown. In a tapping press down motion, I apply the press powder to the middle and the lower part of both sides of my face. Then I apply it on my upper lip and both sides of my nose. Then I apply it in the middle part of my forehead, above my eyebrows, and along the sides of my face. Applying the pressed powder helps the foundation stay in place and creates a smooth finish look. Next, I'm going to add warmth to my skin and contour by using the Black Radiance True Complexion palette, medium to dark. Using a soft eyeshadow brush, I apply the warm brown tone Scalp in the crease of my lids. This technique helps to create a shadow in the crease of the lid that deepens the eye set and makes the eye look more dramatic. Using the same color, I apply the warm brown tone on both sides of my nose, under my lower lashes, under my cheekbones, around my hairline, and on my forehead and lower part of my jawline. Then I go back in with the deeper tone contour and I apply it under my cheekbones, along the lower part of my jawline, along my hairline to deepen and define the contour. Apply the contour color using a detail eyeshadow brush under your lower lashes to smudge and soften the black liner. Going back using the Amrezy AnastasiaBeverlyhills eyeshadow palette, using a detail eyeshadow brush, apply it on your bottom liner to intensify and darken the bottom liner. Next, I'm using the NARS Cosmetics Blush Color Seduction. Using a blush brush, apply the color on both sides of your upper cheekbones, a little bit on your nose, a little bit on your forehead. This effect creates a healthy glow and helps to put the natural warmth back on your skin. Next, I will be applying the highlight color. I apply it down the center of my nose, on my upper cheekbones, and on the center of my upper lip. Highlighting creates the illusion of light to accentuate and to define certain features. Next, I'll be using the Volume Express Falsies Mascara from Maybelline. Apply it from the root of the lash to the tip in multiple strokes until you get a nice even coat on the top and bottom lashes. So I'll be using the Kiss Lash Couture Matte Black Matte Satin Lashes. To apply the lashes, I will be using the Allure Eyelash Glue. Apply a medium coat to the eyelash strip and place them as close as you can to your lash line. Then squeeze them gently as they dry as close as you can to your lash line to create a nice, even, natural blend. Next, apply the Maybelline Lasting Drama Black Gel Liner on top of the eyelash track to blend it, and also apply it along the original wing liner we created in the earlier steps to darken and make the liner more dramatic. Once the lashes are dry, push the outer corners of the lashes in an upward motion. This creates a glamorous flare that complements the cat eyeliner. So I'll be using the Brow Fast Scalp Gel Brow Mascara from Maybelline. Using a mascara wand, I start to apply it in the front part of my brow in short upward strokes along my natural eyebrow shape to the middle and tail end of my brow, creating a groomed and clean finished look. And I'll be applying the MAC Lip Liner Plum. Apply it on the upper and lower outer part of your lip. Next, I'll be applying my makeup line Visage One Studios Luxurious Longwear Matte Lip Stains in the color Bachelorette. My Visage One Studios Longwear Lip Stains are creamy lip colors with a modern matte finish. The nourishing ingredients help keep your lips supple and smooth. It's hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, and comes in over 7 colors. The final look. You can purchase Visage One Studios Cosmetics in the link in my Instagram bio or by visiting visageonestudios.com. I also teach one-on-one and group makeup classes. If you want to learn more about my makeup courses, click on the link that says makeup classes below. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, share this video, and follow my Instagram page and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Visage One Studios.